If you're looking for the fastest way to make $500 a day online without needing any tech skills, running ads, or building a huge social media following, then you're in the right place. What I'm about to show you is real, it's proven, and it's achievable for everyone, even if you're starting completely from scratch. It's the same strategy Academy members who are complete beginners are using to build income fast. And we're not talking about risky crypto flips or shady schemes. We're talking about smart digital sales where you get paid to connect the right people with the right products. And if you stick with me through this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, how to start it from zero, and how to turn this into a system that can generate $500 per day and way beyond that. So hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Also, don't forget to grab your free affiliate starter pack from the link below. It's something I wish I had when I got started. Okay, so let's start with why this strategy works, especially right now in 2025. Affiliate marketing at its core is simple, and if you've been watching the channel, you'll know. You recommend a product, someone buys it through your link, and you get paid a commission. That's it. You don't have to create the product, deal with customer service, or handle any tech. You're just the bridge. And when you bridge the right people to the right products, you earn money. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Instead of promoting one-off products that only pay you once, we're focusing on reoccurring subscriptions. Things like $30 a month tools, memberships, coaching communities, or software. Why? Because if you sign up 10 people this month, and then 10 people next month, and 10 people the month after, then you're stacking income, and that all compounds. That's how you go from making $30 here and there to earning $500 per day consistently. And the best part is, consumers are already used to this now. We pay for subscriptions like Netflix, Amazon, Canva, ChatGPT, course platforms, you name it. So when you promote the right offers, you're not just convincing people, you're just helping them make smarter choices. And because the systems are already built for you, this model doesn't require any coding, any product creation, or for you to have a huge team. It's scalable, it's beginner friendly, and it works with just a phone, the Wi-Fi, and a willingness to learn. So let me show you how to set it up. Alright, let's break down the numbers, because this is where it gets exciting. We're talking about promoting a simple $30 a month subscription product. This could be a tool, a membership, a course platform, or even a coaching community. There are loads around, just make sure it's something useful and something that people stick with. Remember, affiliate marketing is all about trust, so don't destroy your reputation by pushing bad products on your audience. Okay, so now let's say you sign up 1,100 people over around the next 3 months. That's a totally achievable target. So 1,100 subscriptions at $30 per month, and the majority of which pay about 50% commissions. So that is $16,500 a month in reoccurring commissions, which is over $500 a day. This is what I call high frequency mid-ticket. This is not some $5 ebook, and it's not some 2K high ticket course that takes advanced sales skills to go out and close. It sits perfectly in the middle. It's affordable for the customer, and it's powerful for you as the affiliate. And here's what most people miss. You don't need 1,100 people today. If you signed up just 12 people a day, you'd be at 360 people a month, and in 3 months you'd have over 1,100 customers and a full-time income. This is the beauty of reoccurring affiliate commissions. One-time payouts are fine, but when you stop promoting, the money stops. But with reoccurring income, the snowball builds. You get paid every single month for work that you did weeks or even months ago. It's like building digital rent. The more value you put out, the more long-term income you stack up. And it all starts with one solid offer. Okay, so let's go into a bit more detail about what you're actually going to promote, because this part can literally make or break your income. Now, when most people start affiliate marketing, they grab whatever link sounds exciting. Maybe it's got high commission, or maybe it's something that they saw on TikTok being hyped up. But what they don't realise is if you pick the wrong product, it doesn't matter how hard you promote it, it's not going to convert, and even if it does, it might not last. So, here's what I wish somebody had told me much earlier in the game. You want to promote products that people need every single month, not one-off gadgets or random trendy stuff that's here today and gone tomorrow. And the best way to do that is to focus on subscription-based digital products in what I call the core 4 niches. Health, so anything around fitness, meal planning, weight loss, supplements, that sort of thing. Wealth, that could be making money online, side hustles, investing, or entrepreneurship. Then productivity, things like tools that help people get more done, stay organised, or automate stuff. And relationships, so dating, confidence, self-improvement, and emotional health. These niches aren't going anywhere. People are always going to want to be healthier, wealthier, more focused, and better in their relationships. That's why they're so powerful. Now, inside those niches, you need to look for tools or memberships that people are happy to pay for every single month because they're getting real value from it. On screen are a few quick examples. You've got tools like Kajabi or System.io. If someone's building a course or running an online business, they're not going to be cancelling those anytime soon. So you'll have a much higher number of people who stay subscribed for the long term. Then there's AI tools, things like Jasper or content repurposing tools or email automation platforms. These are monthly costs people just accept as part of their workflow these days. So again, you'll have a high number of people who stay subscribed. You also have template subscriptions, things like Notion dashboards, Canva packs, funnel templates, and content calendars. Stuff that makes life easier for creators and business owners. And of course, skill-based communities like coaching memberships or business academies. Those types of offers are sticky. People stay for months, even years, which means as an affiliate, you get paid every single month that they stay subscribed. Now, one thing to keep in mind is this. Don't just chase the highest paying commission. A $30 a month tool that converts like crazy and keeps people for 12 months or more is way more valuable than a $200 a month offer that only gets one sign up out of 100 clicks and people cancel after 30 days. So instead, focus on these 4 things. Does the product actually help people? Are other affiliates getting results with it? Does it offer solid reoccurring commissions? 30% to 50% is the sweet spot. And is the tracking reliable? Ideally with 30-day cookies or better. If you get that right, a product in a proven niche that solves a real ongoing problem and has a fair commission structure, then you don't need to promote 50 different things all at once. All you need is just 1 or 2 that work really well. Okay, so let's break this down into something super practical. Now, you don't need to build a huge website and you don't need 100,000 followers. And you don't need to go and learn coding or go and hire a team. You just need 3 simple steps to start making this work. First, you've got to create content that builds trust. That doesn't mean you need to go and dance on TikTok or become a YouTuber. I'm just talking about simple, helpful posts or short videos. Think of things like quick tips that people can use right away, mistakes to avoid, or a story of something that you've learnt the hard way. You're not selling hard here, you're just showing up, being helpful and saying, hey, if this is useful, I've got a free guide that will help you go even further. That's your CTA, your call to action. And it leads into step 2. Now you need somewhere to send people, and that's where your funnel comes in. But don't worry, we're not talking about anything crazy, just 1 page. That's it, that's all you need. Use a tool like System.io, ConvertKit, or any simple funnel builder. I like MailChimp. On that page, you offer something for free, like a cheat sheet or a checklist, something that actually helps them. And if you're thinking, but I don't have anything to offer yet, then don't stress. You can literally use done for you pages or swipe files from affiliate programs like mine. That's what the Affiliate Starter Pack is. It gives you something valuable you can plug into straight away. Now, here's the part most beginners skip, and this is why they stay stuck. The follow-up. Once someone grabs your freebie, you want to have a simple email sequence that keeps helping them, answering questions, and gently pointing them back to your affiliate link. Even something as basic as a 5-part email sequence can work really well. And the magic is, it all runs in the background. So the more people you send through that funnel, the more your income starts to stack up. Day after day, week after week, month after month. It's how you start building that consistent $500 a day engine. Okay, so what does this actually look like when you start? Well, week 1, expect to get your systems in place, your funnel built, a few pieces of content out there, and maybe your first subscriber or 2. That's a win. Don't expect thousands overnight. Rome wasn't built in a day. Then, by the end of month 1, with consistent effort, let's say posting helpful content 4 to 5 times a week and following up via email, it's completely realistic to see 10, 20 or even 30 reoccurring signups, depending on your niche and how dialed in your offer is. I've seen people hit 5 reoccurring signups in their first week and 50 or more by month 2, purely because they stuck with it and kept showing up. The goal isn't speed, it's momentum, because reoccurring income compounds. The work you do today continues to pay you next month and the month after and the month after that. Then scaling from there doesn't mean starting over or doing anything crazy. It's really just about tuning the dial up on what's already working. You might post a little bit more, but smarter, not harder. Maybe you go from 3 pieces of content a week to 5 pieces, but you batch it or repurpose what's already working. You tweak your funnel based on the data that's coming in, maybe the headline, maybe the email sequence, just small improvements that start to stack. And over time, you start introducing a few more offers that actually make sense for your audience. Stuff that fits with your brand, so it seems seamless rather than spammy. That's the difference between hustling constantly and building a real sustainable business that doesn't fall apart the minute you take the weekend off. It's not about doing more, it's about doing it right. That's what will make you successful. Here's the key thing you need to remember. You don't need 1,100 signups all overnight. You just need to build the system and let time, along with consistency, do all of the heavy lifting for you. This strategy works, but only if you work it and keep showing up. And if you want to skip the guesswork and shortcut the setup, then grab my free affiliate starter pack. It includes the exact templates and systems that I wish I had when I got started. You can plug in and go straight away. You'll find a link to that in the description below. Also, if this helped you, do me a favour, hit the like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more step-by-step training just like this. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.